This week, I'm going to show you why you cannot be without a cable tester. And the cable tester I'm going to be showing you is the Mtest-1 by Mackie, and it tests speak-on, XLR, 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, and it tests up to 5 different connections on it. And it also comes with a banana plug that'll test the continuity of anything. Here is the instruction manual. Here's the banana continuity wire tester. I even use this to test electric cords, and it's wrapped up. Very nice, very pretty. It's black. It feels metallic. It's a good weight. It feels good. It's a very good quality, well-made piece of equipment, and I think everyone needs one. And this is the battery compartment. We'll go ahead and put a battery in it. And it's not real obvious which way it goes. There we go. You can test the battery for the cable tester as well. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and look at how the Mackie Mtest-1 cable tester works. You get these banana plugs, and these will show you directly, that there's no break in your line, and you might want to use these on any kind of cable. You've got Midi cables, and on the other side, you've got your in and your out, and it tests both sides. So you've got your TRS, your 1/4 inch, Midi cable, you've got your RCA phono plug, XLR, and speak on, and then your opposite side has the opposite in out. For the most part, you're going to be testing the 1/4 inch cables and the XLR cables. So for the 1/4 inch, you've got 1 is the tip, 2 is the ring, 3 is the sleeve. Your XLR is going to be 1, 2, and 3. It also checks the battery on this. You probably want to do that right off the bat. You also have a 3.5 TRS, your banana continuity, and here's a little bit of a explanation what's going on here. We're going to go ahead and we'll test the XLR first. I've got a whole box of cables. They've given me trouble, so I can actually test them and see if there is actually a problem with them. One end there, and the other end goes here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That tests out okay, so this cable's good. And if I wanted to test it even more, I could use the banana testers. See there. And this will just make sure there's not a break between the tips. Let's see, we go here, plug this into 1, and you got your 1 right there. Okay, so that's good. We'll go to 2. 2's good, and 3. 3's good. So the cable, you have 2 different ways you can check it out. Okay, we'll go and test another 1/4 inch. Okay, you've got your ends right here. Plug it in here, plug it in here. And we can see the sleeve is not working properly. Okay, so this one's bad. TS. That one's bad too. Okay, so that one's bad on the tip. The other one was bad, I think, on the sleeve. So both of these are ready to go. It doesn't say for this, but I kind of think you could probably even test out electric cords with this. Let's see. So you test there. All right, we'll just see what the continuity is. There. Okay, checks out. Let's check the ground. Ground checks out. So, I mean, you could, all kinds of uses on these. And that could save you hours and hours trying to figure out what's wrong when you're setting up. Just test your wires right away with this cable tester and be done with it. I think this is a tool that every performer should have. So that's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.